this forest, it's wow. I would like to come here again, and I'd like to do some breathing exercise here next time. It's amazing. Thank you.
I
Hmm?
had
Hmm?
took some yellow flowers.
Hmm? From this forest?
Yes.
Hmm.
And pink flower from somewhere else.
Hmm. And then you put it in water?
Yes.
Actually, this experience is very nice, and the fresh air that we breathe is like most precious gift, I think.
We are starting our trekking today with the little girl. What's your name?
Hazel.
Hazel. Wow, that's a nice name. So we'll watch birds and we'll watch. Okay, so please follow me. Our trek starts here. Hazel is a brave girl. Here, ma'am, here, this side. Here, this side. Yes. So we have reached the top. And now we'll see that house. So come here with me. Yes, look at that. That is a termite mound. What? Termite mound. And it is built by termites and it is fully air conditioned building. Really? It is, yes, it is cold inside in summers and warm inside in winters. That bird is real estate.
Want to sit here on this rock?
Yes,
You can sit.
you can sit.
It's natural chair.
So we are looking at valley, the Dehradun valley.
Careful, okay? Don't go that side.
Yes, stay there only. So you are eating plum. And
How is it?
one time you had in your school
Jamun.
jamun. Okay. So actual name of jamun is jambolan. Okay. It is also called, the real name is Java plum. So it is also kind of plum. Interesting, right? Java plum, jambolan became jamun.
It's funny.
Hazel, so we should now return, right? Now we'll have breakfast there and I will have your plum.
I have peaches too.
Oh, that's nice. So you found that beautiful flower here?
Oh,
Oh, wow, that's very beautiful. You like it?
Last time we will take that, okay?
You like it?
flowers.
Hmm?
Flowers.
Flowers. And look here.
Pine cone?
Look here.
Pine cone.
Hmm.
Pine
So
trees?
Pine trees.
and-
Birdie?
Birdie.
Did you enjoy watching them through the binoculars?
so you like trekking?
That is amazing here. It's not so hot, not so cold. Perfect. And I specifically like this palm trees because I just love them. It makes me happy. And being in this forest, it's wow. I would like to come here again and I'd like to do some breathing exercise here next time. It's amazing. Thank you.
It's, enjoying the nature, right?
Smile, Annie. Hey, boo boo. Can you smile for mommy?
I want water.
Water.
So today Papa is also with you. What does she call? Papa, Dad?
Daddy.
Daddy is with you. Are you happy?
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea?
Herbal tea.
Herbal tea. Okay, so you want to make herbal tea? Wow, that's great. So do you, how do you make herbal tea?
What?
How do you make herbal tea?
How do you make lemongrass tea, is it?
Huh?
Lemongrass tea.
Just by putting lemon.
Lemongrass.
It's a termite mound. Termite mound. Remember? We saw it the day before yesterday.
Who lives inside? Yes, you can sit here.
You want to sit? Yes. Yes, you can.
Where do you want to sit?
Oh, it is so beautiful. Yeah. How does it look, Hazel? Beautiful? Oh, why have you wiped it away?
Doesn't keep anything on her body.
So, ma'am, you are trying to
Dig
save this pine tree
Yes.
and collecting as much native soil as much as possible.
So that at least it can survive for 2 months.
Mama, she can take it.
I wish you succeed
Ah, thank you.
in planting this.
Thank you.
Actually, this experience is very nice, and the fresh air that we breathe is like most precious gift, I think.
Hmm?
I had
Hmm?
took some yellow flowers.
Hmm? From this forest?
Yes.
Hmm.
And pink flower from somewhere else.
Hmm. And then you put it in water
Yes.
in your room.
Yes.
And what else did you do? Petals?
I had mango,
Hmm.
raw.
Hmm.
I put the mangoes in my glass
Hmm.
and started playing with it.
No, but what did you do with the flower?
I just kept it like a case.
Okay. So you found some glass?
Yes, brown color made of wood.
Hmm. And then you put the flower in it?
Hmm.
In water?
Hmm.
Okay. So it is fresh?
Yes.
Okay.
You know, my mother had made me a tiara with flowers.
Hmm.
Now, and I'm wound with flowers.
Oh, that's lovely. So you are in class?
I don't have class here.
Oh, you are not in school?
No, I have a
She's in a
vacation.
Pottersville school, na, Hazel?
Not here.
Not here, but
No, not here, but there.
Yes, in Yodmal.
So you are in nursery?
Yes.
Okay. LKG or UKG?
LKG.
LKG, good. And look here. You will find wild mushrooms. So this is also a fungus, wild mushroom. Look, they are surviving on wood.
In my room,
Hmm?
I also have mushrooms in my room, but it's not edible.
Okay,
Something
so that
is on there. Something is there.
where?
On
Here?
Here.
Here?
On your eyebrows. Look. It was a fly.
Oh, fly. Oh, yeah. In forest we have flies. Okay. Yeah.
It never goes in my eyes.
Yeah, it should not go. Keep them scared. By moving your hand, moving your head. Don't let them sit on your face.
I don't let them sit.
Yes. Thank you for telling me, because I did not feel it. But you told me, then I felt. So thank you.